If you're looking for best CURREN Quartz Watch, this video is for you. Here are a collection you gotta see. Let's get started. Number 5. CURREN Quartz Watch. Embrace fashion and elegance on your wrist. The CURREN Watch is an exquisite timepiece that seamlessly blends fashion and functionality, making it a statement accessory for every occasion. With its unique and fashionable appearance, this watch exudes a sense of individuality and free-spirited style, embodying the essence of fashion while exuding a noble temperament. Crafted with precision, the alloy case of the CURREN Watch showcases a classic aesthetic design that is both beautiful and stylish. Its timeless appeal ensures that it complements any outfit, adding a touch of elegance to your overall look. The CURREN Watch is equipped with a durable mineral glass, serving as a hard mirror that effectively resists scratches, making it a resilient and long-lasting timepiece. Whether you lead an active lifestyle or are simply seeking a watch that maintains its pristine appearance over time, the mineral glass guarantees a scratch-resistant and enduring surface. Comfortable and visually appealing, the stainless steel strap of the CURREN Watch exudes sophistication and generosity. It ensures a comfortable fit on your wrist while elevating your overall style. Whether you're attending a formal event or simply going about your daily routine, this watch is a true testament to understated luxury. A practical feature of the CURREN Watch is its luminous display, allowing you to easily read the time even during nighttime or low-light conditions. This functional touch ensures that you never lose track of time, no matter the environment you find yourself in. Moreover, the CURREN Watch boasts a 30mm life waterproof rating, meeting the demands of daily life. With this level of water resistance, the watch can withstand splashes, rain, and other minor water exposure, giving you peace of mind as you go about your day-to-day activities. In summary, the CURREN Watch is a fashion-forward timepiece that effortlessly captures attention with its unique design and timeless appeal. Its alloy case, mineral glass, and stainless steel strap reflect the craftsmanship and attention to detail put into its creation. Whether you seek a watch for its fashion-forward appearance, comfortable wear, or practical features like luminous display and water resistance, the CURREN Watch is a versatile choice that complements any wardrobe. Embrace elegance and fashion on your wrist with the CURREN Watch, an embodiment of style and sophistication. Number 4. CURREN Quartz Watch. A trendsetter in style and comfort. The CURREN Watch is a true trendsetter, offering a unique blend of fashion and functionality that sets it apart from the crowd. With its bold statement, "All the way before the tide," this watch exemplifies individuality and dares to be different, making it a standout piece for those who lead the trend rather than follow it. Crafted with a keen eye for detail, the CURREN Watch creates beauty through texture, refreshing your vision and providing an unparalleled experience. The watch's design stands out with its captivating textures, adding depth and dimension to its appearance. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or simply appreciate exquisite craftsmanship, the CURREN Watch is sure to catch your eye. Comfort is at the forefront of the CURREN Watch's design philosophy. Its traditional and comfortable build ensures that you can wear it for extended periods without feeling fatigued. Whether you're engaged in a busy day at work or exploring adventures outdoors, this watch stays a reliable companion, offering comfort all day long. Ingeniously blending sports and timekeeping, the CURREN Watch embraces masculinity with its robust and sturdy design. It is not merely a timepiece but also a symbol of strength and endurance. Whether you're actively involved in sports or prefer a watch that complements your masculine style, the CURREN Watch is the perfect choice. In summary, the CURREN Watch is a captivating timepiece that caters to those who crave uniqueness and comfort. Its trendsetting design and refreshing textures make it an alluring piece for individuals who lead the way in fashion. Moreover, its emphasis on comfort ensures a seamless experience throughout the day. If you seek a watch that beautifully blends sports and style, while exuding a sense of masculinity, the CURREN Watch is the ideal choice. Embrace the trendsetter within you and elevate your style with the distinctive charm of the CURREN Watch. Number 3. CURREN Quartz Watch. A blend of elegance and practicality. The CURREN Watch is a timepiece that seamlessly combines style with practical features, making it a perfect companion for everyday wear. Its 30mm life waterproof rating ensures it can withstand daily water exposure, adding a touch of reliability to your busy lifestyle. Crafted with precision, the CURREN Watch features an alloy case, particularly on its bezel, which imparts exceptional hardness and wear resistance. This durability ensures that the watch maintains its pristine appearance, standing the test of time as you go about your daily activities. The watch's mineral glass serves as a hard mirror, effectively protecting it against scratches and wear, guaranteeing a clear and unblemished view of the time. Its resilience ensures that the watch remains in excellent condition, with minimal signs of wear even after prolonged use. Fashion meets comfort with the CURREN watch's stainless steel strap. Designed to be comfortable and stylish, it adds a touch of elegance to your wrist. The generous and modern design ensures it complements any outfit, making it suitable for various occasions. Innovative and practical, the CURREN watch incorporates multifunctional features that cater to your daily needs. From sports timing to a convenient calendar, this watch is equipped to keep up with your busy schedule. Additionally, the luminous function allows for easy reading of the time, even in low-light conditions. In summary, the CURREN watch strikes the perfect balance between elegance and practicality. Its 30mm Life waterproof rating, alloy case, and scratch-resistant mineral glass make it a reliable and durable choice for daily wear. The stainless steel strap adds a touch of sophistication and comfort to your wrist. With its multifunctional features, the CURREN watch is designed to cater to your diverse needs, making it a versatile timepiece for all occasions. Elevate your style and experience the convenience of functionality with the CURREN watch on your wrist. Number 2. CURREN Quartz Watch. An accurate timekeeping companion. The CURREN watch is a reliable timepiece that combines precise Japanese imported quartz movement with stylish design, making it an ideal accessory for daily wear. With its commitment to accuracy, you can trust this watch to keep you punctual in every moment. Featuring a 3 ATM daily waterproof rating, the CURREN watch is designed to withstand light water exposure, such as washing hands, handling sweat, or encountering rain. However, it's essential to note that this watch should not be submerged in water, worn during showers, or used for swimming activities. The watch's aesthetics are truly captivating, but it's important to consider that the color may appear slightly different due to variations between computer monitors and natural eye color perception. Nonetheless, the overall design is undoubtedly eye-catching, allowing you to make a stylish statement wherever you go. The CURREN watch also makes for a thoughtful and attractive gift option. Whether you want to surprise your family, friends, or significant other, this timepiece exudes elegance and sophistication, making it a perfect choice for any special occasion. In summary, the CURREN watch is more than just a timekeeping device, it's a fashion statement that reflects precision and style. Its Japanese imported quartz movement ensures accurate timekeeping, giving you the confidence to manage your schedule with ease. The 3 ATM daily waterproof rating provides added protection in day-to-day situations, while its appealing design makes it a delightful gift for loved ones or yourself. Elevate your style and stay punctual with the CURREN watch on your wrist. Number 1. CURREN Quartz Watch. An accurate and stylish timepiece. The CURREN watch is a standout timepiece that flawlessly combines accuracy with style, making it an ideal accessory for any occasion. Powered by precise Japanese imported quartz movement, this watch ensures accurate timekeeping, allowing you to stay punctual and organized throughout your day. With a 3 ATM daily waterproof rating, the CURREN watch offers reliable protection against little water exposure, such as washing hands, encountering rain, or dealing with sweat. While it can handle these everyday situations, it's important to note that this watch is not suitable for submersion in water, showering, or swimming activities. Beyond its practicality, the CURREN watch boasts an attractive design that catches the eye. However, it's essential to consider that the color may appear slightly different in person due to variations between computer monitors and natural eye color perception. Nonetheless, rest assured that the overall appeal of the watch remains intact, making it a fashion-forward accessory to complement your style. Aside from being a delightful addition to your own collection, the CURREN watch also makes for a thoughtful and stylish gift. Whether you want to surprise your family, friends, or significant other, this watch exudes elegance and charm, making it a perfect choice for any special occasion. In summary, the CURREN watch is more than just a timekeeping device, it's a blend of accuracy and fashion. Its precise Japanese imported quartz movement guarantees reliable timekeeping, giving you the confidence to manage your schedule effortlessly. The 3 ATM daily waterproof rating provides added practicality for everyday situations, while the attractive design ensures you make a statement wherever Myanmar letter 1016 you go. As a gift, the CURREN watch is a thoughtful and stylish choice, showing your appreciation for your loved ones or treating yourself to a touch of sophistication. Elevate your style and stay punctual with the CURREN watch gracing your wrist.